Hey Conrad, it's me again, Ryan over at Audi VW Fall River, and I just want to thank you for coming in Saturday, sitting with me on the 2023 Audi A4 Allroad Prestige. I told you I was going to do this if you didn't buy it. I'm just going to dive right into it. You're going to notice upgraded LED lights. You get that beautiful chrome grille with the camera right under the rings. All safety features in the Allroad. Really cool. You get the front collision warning. You'll notice the sensors right there, hidden in the bumper. Make your way around this way. You get a nice all-season Continental tire with an upgraded wheel. I love that look. I love those painted fenders. It looks really good with the black. Follow me this way. You're going to notice beautiful body lines on the A4 Allroad. Keyless entry on both doors, which is really nice. You'll notice all the trims that kind of break up the black that I was going over this Saturday. Follow me in the back, just like the front. Sorry, Conrad. You'll notice the back has upgraded LED lights. Brake lights, reverse lights, plate lights. I love the chrome rings looking at you. Kind of breaks up everything in the back. I just want to point out this one actually has the upgraded backup camera with the washer. So when you clean your windows, it will actually wash your camera. Really cool. Just like I pointed out Saturday, you get a nice rear privacy shade. Really cool. Upgraded LED lights, easy access to the rear seats in case you're moving stuff. Roof racks, summer mats, rear cargo protection. You get weather mats to protect the inside. This thing comes fully loaded. Now you even get a rear privacy height adjustment up here, which is cool. If I hold this down, it'll chime. Then it'll set to the height setting I need. Really cool. Follow me this way, Conrad. I want to point out some of the features back here. You get an upgraded black leather with rock gray stitching, heated seats. Look at that cool wood grain running through all the doors. You get an updated LED light that runs through, looks like a spaceship at night. Rear privacy shades and Bang & Olufsen upgraded sound, which is a must-have for me in any Audi. Now, I want to jump in the front, highlight some of the features that you're going to be used to on a day-to-day basis. Follow me inside. Hey, good morning, Conrad. It's Ryan over at Audi VW Fall River, and I just want to highlight some of the features in here. There's a lot going on in a Prestige. You get automatic mirrors, automatic lighting, automatic power folding mirrors with blind spot monitoring that are heated, memory seating. You get automatic windows, easy access to the rear hatch for open and close purposes, just like the SUVs. Really cool. Heated steering wheel, a nice leather wrapped wheel with a virtual navigation that you can change out anytime you want. You get a full touchscreen right here, which is really nice. It's got a nice haptic feel. I think we went over that Saturday. Really updated, really virtual. Now, dual climate control with heated and air-cooled seats. I love this feature. It's really nice, really updated. It's got a nice motion sensor on it, so it's really futuristic. Now, one thing you will notice down here is LED lit cup holders with wood grain and piano black. It's got a short throw shifter, which is really nice. If you make your way over here, the heated air-cooled seat gives you a nice perforated look. I love the black leather with the rock gray stitching. You'll notice wood grain wraps right through the doors and dash all through here. Really nice. At night, it's LED lit, so it's really cool and updated. Again, it has Bang & Olufsen upgraded sound, so it's one of my must-haves. Now look up here. I want to show you, this one has an upgraded LED light with motion sensors. So if somebody touched this, there's a good chance they turned it on. Now, one of my favorite features in the car right now is the big panoramic sunroof. It has a power shade with big panel roof. You get a lot of light. It's perfect on rainy days. Hey Conrad, this is Ryan over at Audi VW Fall River. I want to thank you for watching the video on the 2023 Audi A4 Allroad Prestige. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions on the video, Conrad, you can call me on my personal number, 401-529-9919. Thanks, Conrad.